was a little boy, I swore that I would change the world when I grew up. Nothing else would be enough. I see it every day. We set off for a save, and lose ourselves along the way. But if you don't dream it, what's the use of dreaming? If you don't have faith, there's nothing worth believing. It takes one hope to make the sky worth reaching for. So reach out for something more. Take the one perfect to play. You beat it finally, I just said that it's not me. Faith is something you can't see. I wiped my tears away. Now it's time for a change. No, I can't waste another day. 'Cause if you don't dream it, what's the use of dreaming? If you don't have faith, there's nothing worth believing. It takes one hope to make the stars worth reaching for. 'Cause if you don't have faith, what's the use of dreaming? If you don't have faith, there's nothing worth believing. It takes one hope to make the stars worth reaching for. So reach out for something more.
All right, so the beginning of round two, right? The beginning of round two for the king of the duel at Nokia.
Right.
I'll tell you what, the song was just okay for me, but what made it really work is your voice. Dude, you were singing your face off right there. I'm like, whoa, you can hit them notes? What? Nice, nice.
David,
Thank you, Randy.
I like that.
a song in your heart, a guitar in your hand, and we millions who sit and all mesmerized by you. This is a great way to take a song that we don't know and fall in love with it. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I mean, you
Yeah?
using the boxing analogy was a bit of a lightweight, I thought. I thought the end was okay. You know, you made the most of what you had. I mean, bearing in mind this is supposed to be like a winning song, it didn't feel like a winning moment for me. All right, just an opinion. Look, the good news is we've got a third song, right?
Absolutely.
That was a 6.5 out of 10.
And it wasn't the winning song. Was it?
David's numbers again, guys. 1-866-701-0305. 1-866-426-5701. 0305. You can text the word vote to 5701. You'll have 4 hours to vote at the end of this show. How you feeling right now?
I feel good. I'm playing in front of 7,000 people. I feel great.
We're taking a break. We come back with